Yeah,
Alright guys,
sorry.
I'm going to show you how to get that privacy thing on your phone, right? So
Yep,
you
privacy
find,
screen.
you find a window that has this reflective stuff on it, and what you do is you actually take a box cutter and you cut out a section when nobody's looking, right? Like a nice little section like this.
Yep, perfect edges.
Just like that.
Well manicured, looks good. Yep, there you go.
And what you could do is actually put like your media notes on there.
Exactly.
You know, get like a little hanger.
Who's gonna know, right? Look at that.
Know, right. So
right.
what you do is, let's go over here. I'll show you guys how to do it. You basically take your phone and you just kind of lay it on there and use your finger. Now this gives you the outline so you kind of know where to cut. See, so no extra tools are necessary. These are the best scissors. They're small and they're red. But look how easy this is. You don't have to go and pay like $10 for that Amazon garbage.
No way, people are going to be jumping to do this as soon as they see this video.
Look at that. And we turn on, you can still see.
Well, not from an angle. Let's see.
Right.
Okay, yeah, from here I can't see anything.
See?
Nothing.
See?
Very good.
That's how you save money.